things like images, you can put them in a list as well, so they can be nested as well. Let's take a look at what that would look like. So I've gone ahead and I've grabbed another donut image. Big fan of donuts, in case you couldn't tell. And we're going to load this one as well as this one into a list. So let's see. While we're just tinkering around, we'll keep it at the bottom. So let's put this one in a unordered list. Okay, so we have our UL. I'll close it. And we want to put this inside of a list item. Right, so we don't just want to put this on its own. Let's see what happens if we try that out. It loads just fine, but it doesn't really have the bullet point. So we want to make sure that it is an actual list item. And we do that by putting it inside li tags. Boom, like so. Right, so now it's a little bit messed up because the image is so big compared to the default list item. But it is listed as a list item here in this particular list. So let's add maybe a line of text here to separate. So we'll do a paragraph separation /p. Okay, and you know what? Let's do something like this just for our own sake so we can tell what's what. Right, so this is a list item. Let's say we wanted to make a list of donut images. Right, so this one as well will be an li. And we'll load an image source equals. I'll go ahead and grab the URL in a second, but this one, the alt text, will be brown donut held in hand. I think that's a pretty good description of what this second image will be. Right, so that's what it's doing. Let's get the share links. I'll just grab this one, and we'll put it in the source and strip out this markdown stuff. Keep that like so. Right, and now we have one item in our list and another item in our list. And this might not make sense now, but once we see, styling with CSS, you'll see it does kind of make logical sense sometimes to group these things together into a list. And in any case, really, I just wanted to show you that you can put other items as list items as well, right? It's all about nesting. So opening list item, we have another element nested in there, and then we close it, and it just treats it as if it was any other list item. Right, and now in this list we can add other items too. So we can add some just plain text here, for example. And it's just another part of the list, right? So one bullet point, another, and then another.